There's one habit that ruins almost every home-cooked meal, and most people have no idea they're doing it. It's not bad ingredients. It's not the recipe. It's rushing the process. Most people cook in a hurry. They turn the heat too high. They move food too often. They don't give ingredients time to react. And that destroys flavor. Good food needs time. Time to brown. Time to develop aroma. Time to balance. When you rush, food tastes flat. Even if the recipe is perfect, the moment you slow down, food instantly tastes better. Same ingredients. Same kitchen. Completely different result. Do you rush when you cook without realizing it? Let me know in the comments.